Taking a look at our full forecast, starting off in Bakersfield, we're seeing 49 degrees right now. Headed south into the mountains, looking between the 30s, 40s range, and some of the mountain areas are seeing both light rain and some snow as well. Looking towards those desert areas, we're seeing 40s up into the 50s. Now taking a look at tonight's lows, this could range as low as 33 degrees in the mountains, up to 46 degrees in the valley area. And all across the map, we're seeing somewhere between rain, snow, and possible thunderstorms as well. So definitely keeping an eye out on that, and that should last as we head into tomorrow as well. Now tomorrow's highs range as low as 39 degrees in the mountains, up to 62 degrees in the desert. However, the desert is also looking at some wind. There is a wind advisory put in place wherever you see this tannish color, and that should last until Sunday at 11 p.m. But let's get a closer look. Now, right now we're seeing pretty strong winds, getting close to those 50-mile-per-hour winds in the desert area, and some pretty widespread gusts, which you see in the greenish area. A little bit more breezy as you head into the valley area. And as we continue on into Sunday morning, we do see it looks like things are starting to dial down just a bit, getting closer to the 30-mile-per-hour range. However, that isn't expected to last too long, because as we head into Sunday afternoon, we are getting into the 50s range, and we could see gusts up to 55 miles per hour. And we do see the greenish color really starting to spread across more of the map. So we are expecting quite a bit of wind. Continuing into Sunday night, it looks like things are calming down just a little bit, still within the 40s range, but also pushing into some of the mountain areas towards Fraser Park and Lebec. Now we do see some scattered showers really affecting us. Right now we do see mostly the mountain areas towards Lake Isabella and Tehachapi are seeing quite a bit of rain and snow, and a mix of the two at the moment. And as we head into Sunday morning, we do see these scattered showers really just washing through the county, kind of on and off. In the morning, it looks like Bakersfield's getting a little bit of a break, but we do see those mountain areas really being affected, and some scattered showers towards Delano and Wasco. As we head into Sunday afternoon, again, we do see it looks like things are going to clear up in patches, but really affect other areas like Taft and again near Lake Isabella. Continuing into Sunday night, it looks like things are going to start to dial down just a little bit. But let's get a look at those rain total numbers. All across the map, we're seeing somewhere between less than 1/10 of an inch in some areas, up to about 3/4 of an inch in areas such as Keene. The desert still looking pretty dry, so it really just depends where in the county you are. Now we have been seeing snow, and we are expecting to see some more snow as we head into tomorrow. Right now we aren't seeing snow accumulate on the passes. However, we could see trace amounts as we head into tomorrow. But let's get a look at the week ahead of us. Starting off tomorrow in the valley, we have a high of 59 degrees and a low of 46. We do have those rain chances really picking up throughout the day, with the possibility of thunderstorms in the afternoon as well. Things are expected to warm up as we head towards Wednesday. However, we are expecting a new storm system to come into play around then, which looks like it is going to continue heading into the weekend. Mountains following a similar trend, pretty cold tomorrow, warming up until things are cooling down again later in the week.